Imagine a home that moves with you, wrapped in unparalleled luxury, surrounded by breathtaking nature, every detail thoughtfully designed to elevate your journey, transforming every road into a truly unforgettable five-star experience, where comfort, freedom, and elegance travel with you, wherever you go. VARIO Signature 1200. The VARIO Signature 1200 is a luxurious high-end motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis measuring 12 meters in length and weighing 26 tons, making it a true giant on the road. It features a massive garage capable of accommodating a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, ideal for travelers who want to bring a high-end car along. The interior is designed for maximum comfort and style, providing enough space for up to 6 people. Inside, the motorhome includes all the amenities expected from a luxury vehicle: a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher, a bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink, and a bedroom with a queen-sized bed and wardrobe. The spacious layout ensures smooth movement and a high level of convenience. Every detail is crafted for elegance and functionality, making long journeys comfortable. The VARIO Signature 1200 combines performance, luxury, and practicality with a base price of $922,000, appealing to travelers seeking a premium motorhome experience. CMC Alona Motorhome. The CMC Alona, built by the Italian company CMC Caravan, is a luxury motorhome celebrated for its spacious interior, superior craftsmanship, and advanced features. It is available in multiple layouts, but all share key features such as a slide-out section to expand living space, a full-size kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a bedroom with a queen-size bed, and a bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. Designed for long-distance travel or extended stays at favorite campsites, the Alona provides comfort, convenience, and style. Its high-quality finishes and thoughtful layout make it an ideal choice for travelers seeking a luxurious mobile home experience. Priced from around $300,000, it is among the most desirable motorhomes on the market. With its combination of elegance, practicality, and technological features, the Alona ensures a premium travel experience, offering all the amenities needed for a comfortable journey without compromising space or style. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a unique 2-story, 5-room motorhome designed for surfers and adventure travelers chasing the best waves along the coast. Built on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, it functions as a mobile bed and breakfast. In travel mode, it measures 11.2 meters in length, 2.55 meters in width, and 4 meters in height, expanding to 6.5 meters in height when fully deployed. It accommodates up to 10 guests, offering 4 double rooms and 1 single room, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, a living area, and a rooftop terrace for relaxation. The motorhome also includes modern amenities such as air conditioning, heating, and Wi-Fi. Though not available for private purchase, it represents an innovative combination of luxury, hospitality, and mobility, giving travelers a unique option for high-quality accommodation on the move while blending style, functionality, and adventure. Maxus V90 Villa Edition. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a revolutionary RV created by Sequoia Motor, redefining mobile living with a unique 2-story design. It transforms from a single-story vehicle into a mobile home with a panoramic sunroom. The main level provides 215 square feet of space, including a living room, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom. The upper level, accessed via elevator, adds 133 square feet, usable as a sunlight room, zen space, or study. Features include an exterior pull-out cooking area, LED lighting, a JBL sound system, washing machine, kitchenette, and air conditioning, making the RV fully equipped for comfort and style. Its innovative 2-story design combines mobility with spacious living, ideal for long-term travel or luxury camping. Available in China, the Maxus V90 Villa Edition costs around $413,000. Its combination of elegance, technology, and adaptability provides travelers a premium, sophisticated, and functional mobile home experience unlike any other RV on the market. Pod X Go Grande S1. The Pod X Go Grande S1 is a revolutionary tiny home offering maximum flexibility without compromising comfort or style. It expands from 140 square feet to 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, providing ample room for living, entertaining, and daily activities. Fully furnished, it includes a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Towable by an F-250 or equivalent, it can be assembled on-site quickly. The structure is built from high-tensile steel filled with rigid polyurethane, ensuring durability and safety, while off-grid solar solutions powered by Renogy provide energy independence. This tiny home is ideal for travelers seeking convenience, portability, and modern amenities in a compact design. Its $85,000 price combines affordability with innovation. The Grande S1 demonstrates how a small, well-designed home can provide comfort, functionality, and mobility without sacrificing style or quality, making it an excellent choice for modern tiny home enthusiasts or mobile living adventurers. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a 399 square foot tiny home inspired by Western Montana architecture, featuring a shed roof, Western cedar horizontal siding, and black-clad windows for durability and aesthetic appeal. Inside, shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and stained tongue-and-groove ceilings create a cozy yet stylish interior. It includes a spacious living area with a couch and fireplace, a galley kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an oven. Sleeping arrangements consist of a king-sized bed and a queen-sized bed, while the bathroom at the rear includes a shower, toilet, and sink. The Big Sky combines functionality, comfort, and Western-style design into a compact, efficient, tiny home. Starting at $50,000, it offers a high-quality, movable living solution for those seeking a stylish, functional, and comfortable home on wheels. Perfect for modern tiny house enthusiasts who value mobility, design, and practicality. STX Volvo FH540. The STX Volvo FH540 is a luxurious and powerful vehicle designed for the safe and comfortable transport of horses. Built on a Volvo FH chassis, known for reliability and high performance, it is available in various configurations accommodating 4 to 9 horses. The living area is spacious and well-equipped with modern amenities, including a bathroom, dining area for 4 people, satellite TV, air conditioning, and sleeping accommodations, ensuring comfort for drivers and passengers during long trips. The horse area is designed with safety and comfort in mind, featuring rubber flooring, skylights for natural light, cooling fans, surveillance cameras, adjustable partitions, and a temperature monitoring system to maintain ideal conditions. Combining rugged performance with luxury, this vehicle is not just a horse truck, but a statement of elegance, offering premium materials, engineering precision, and thoughtful design. The STX Volvo FH540 represents the ultimate mobile solution for horse owners seeking convenience, safety, and style. Earthroamer SX. The Earthroamer SX is a high-end, all-terrain expedition vehicle built on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, specifically designed for off-road travel and camping in remote locations while maintaining all the comforts of home. Powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine producing 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, it can handle mountains, mud, and other extreme terrain conditions. The interior is spacious, featuring a dynamic kitchen, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. The dinette comfortably seats up to 6 people, while the master bedroom has a queen-sized bed, and the second bedroom features a bunk bed, accommodating families or groups. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, stove, and sink. The Earthroamer SX combines rugged off-road capability with modern amenities, ensuring both adventure and comfort. Priced at $145,000, it provides a perfect solution for explorers seeking durability, versatility, and a luxurious mobile living experience in remote environments. Cortez 17 Camper. The Cortez 17 Camper is a compact 17-foot single-axle travel trailer manufactured by Cortez Campers, designed for lightweight, practical, and efficient travel. Its patented composite monocoque frame, made from a fiberglass and resin blend, ensures strength while keeping the dry weight at just 2,680 pounds, making it easily towable by midsize vehicles. It accommodates 2 people, with a rear double bed as the primary sleeping space, and an additional dinette that can be converted into a bed if required. The small galley kitchen is equipped with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, providing essential cooking facilities. The bathroom, although compact, includes a toilet and shower, ensuring basic comfort. The Cortez 17 is ideal for couples or solo travelers seeking a lightweight, portable, and functional travel trailer without sacrificing essential amenities. Its 2024 starting price is $45,988, offering a practical and accessible solution for modern camping enthusiasts. Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley. The Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley is a beautifully engineered vehicle that blends historical charm with modern technology, offering both practical transport and aesthetic appeal. Handcrafted with meticulous care, it is designed as a standout attraction in cities, shopping centers, or tourist areas. Its structure combines traditional materials such as wood and brass with contemporary features like LED exterior lighting. Powered by proven electrical systems, it ensures longevity and low-maintenance operation while accommodating 50 to 70 passengers, making it ideal for high-capacity transport. The trolley's maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour ensures safe operation, while the design prioritizes passenger comfort and functionality. It represents the intersection of tradition and modernity, offering both style and efficiency for urban environments. The Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley demonstrates how transportation can be functional, reliable, and visually impressive simultaneously, making it perfect for locations seeking eco-friendly, high-capacity, and attractive transit solutions. Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan. The Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan is designed as a luxurious yet practical travel solution for families seeking comfort, space, and modern amenities during camping trips or extended outdoor adventures. Combining the functionality of a camper trailer with the comfort of a hybrid caravan, it includes a dining area, kitchen, queen-size bed, and bathroom. Advanced technological features enhance usability, such as the Projecta PM400 battery management system, a Projecta 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter, 2x135A lithium batteries, a Truma Rapid 14-liter hot water system, a 400-watt solar panel, and a reverse camera, providing energy efficiency and convenience. Its layout prioritizes family needs, offering both mobility and comfort while maintaining practical design elements for everyday use. Starting at $49,000, the Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan delivers a reliable, stylish, and modern travel experience, making it ideal for families who want a compact, fully equipped, and technologically advanced mobile living solution for adventure and exploration. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a spacious and elegant floating home designed for year-round living with a total area of 450 square meters. Equipped with two engines, it offers a cruising speed of 10 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour, combining smooth performance with reliability. Its modern construction uses high-quality materials, ensuring durability, comfort, and luxury. Inside, the living room features a large glass wall, offering panoramic water views. The kitchen is fully equipped with appliances for modern living, and the bedrooms are spacious and comfortable, ensuring restful sleep. The terrace is large enough to host outdoor furniture and sun loungers, creating a relaxing space for enjoying the outdoors. Priced at $643,000, the Houseboat Classic 180 blends style, functionality, and aquatic mobility, providing a sophisticated lifestyle option for those who want to live or travel on water without compromising luxury, comfort, or design. Trigano Sequoia. The Trigano Sequoia is a revolutionary tent trailer designed to offer a perfect balance of comfort, space, and convenience for families and groups. It is built to accommodate up to 10 people, featuring 2 large double beds, 2 under tents, designed for 2 people each, and an additional annex tent that can sleep 2 more. The Sequoia provides a generous living area of approximately 29 square meters, making it one of the most spacious tent trailers in its category. Setup is quick and efficient, with the main tent ready in just 5 minutes and the awning installed within 20 minutes. It includes a surround ventilation system that ensures proper airflow and climate control inside the main tent. An air awning can be set up easily without poles, adding convenience. Combining modern technology with a unique design, the Trigano Sequoia is an excellent choice for families seeking a spacious, easy-to-use, and comfortable camping solution. Microhaus is a revolutionary high-tech micro-home designed to provide a compact yet fully equipped living space starting from $60,000. It offers more technology per square foot than almost any other product available in the market today. Despite its small footprint, Microhaus includes all essential features needed for comfortable living, such as a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and a functional living area. It is also equipped with solar panels and a battery backup system, allowing for energy efficiency and reduced dependence on external power sources. One of its key advantages is portability, as the structure can be easily transported, enabling users to change locations according to their needs. With low operating costs and a high return on investment, Microhaus presents a sustainable and profitable housing solution. It is ideal for people looking for a modern, eco-friendly, and low-maintenance home that combines smart technology, flexibility, and efficient design in a compact living environment. New Camp 2022 Cirrus 820. The New Camp 2022 Cirrus 820 is a versatile truck camper designed to be mounted on most midsize and full-size pickup trucks. It has a dry weight of approximately 5,200 pounds and a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,700 pounds, making it strong yet manageable. Measuring 21 feet 5 inches in length, 8 feet in width, and 9 feet 11 inches in height, it offers a well-organized interior layout. The camper includes a 2-burner stove, sink, refrigerator, microwave, and a wet bath, ensuring comfort during travel. A dinette area converts into a bed, providing flexible sleeping arrangements. Additionally, the Cirrus 820 is equipped with a solar power system to help keep the batteries charged during off-grid use. Starting at $39,500, it is a practical and comfortable option for travelers seeking reliability, modern amenities, and freedom on the road.